right here by Lemont. And look at this cutesy family of duckies. Ay, casi me caigo. Look at it, they're so cute. Oh, look at the teeny tiny one. Oh, look, I stay at. Oh, they're so cute. The family of duckies. They're so cute. That's Sahir. He's 10 years old. That's Nerito. We're on a nature walk. Hi. Hi.
Oye, no soy como perro.
¿Cómo la hace, Nerito?
Como perro, ¿no? Wow, 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 wow.
No, those are quacks.
We should have brought little breads for them.
Those are going
Eso bola.
Oh, you guys are so teeny tiny and cute. Careful. Hi. Look at them. Oh, look at the teeny tiny. I want to squish them.
Sorry.
We should have brought some bread for
Oh, you see the little one?
tiny one. Oh, he's teeny tiny. He's just floating.
Yeah, like no.
Goodbye, guys.
We should have brought food.
They're gonna go over there by the restaurant.
They're gonna go in the restaurant.
Oh, they're
They have
cute.
their own colony. That's their colony.
They're so cute.
You see how we have.
We're walking.
Wait,
It's
you
nice
was
weather.
talking?
Yeah. Oh no! Ah, I keep falling.
Why'd you do a little clap? Did you show me?
Ya te dije.
You can grab one.
Oh look, a little birdie. Oh, I thought he was gonna be right there.
No, give me this. Don't do that.
Me voy a dar una. Una sorpresa. Parece tabaco.
Don't grab that. It could be like, we have pesticides in it. Ugh. Oh, it's so peaceful. We're having fun. It feels good to feel like the breeze. We finally have beautiful weather over here. It's nice things to have. It's such a beautiful day. It's a really good weekend. So this whole week it's gonna be nice outside. It's perfect for our nature walks. Oh, I like how they have pet bags here. Just in case you bring your doggy. ¿Quieren seguirle like straight or you want to do the bridge? Where's the bridge?
Come on. Run.
Looks so nice. I like the houses around here. They look nice too.
Let's go this way to see the little ducks. Because they live on this.
Oh yeah, they live on this side.
See?
So they live on this
They
side.
put all their caca marks too.
They do. such nice houses. It's so sunny. Look at this. This is like Italian style houses, Ira.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks really nice. Oh, look at that.
I think he just landed right there. Oh, look, there they are.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
so much noise.
Crunching.
Hey, Dad, I'm on this side now.
Oh, look at
Those remind me of
this.
the Dawn soap one.
Oh, yeah.
They do already.
Do you guys do commercials?
They probably are the ones that
Can
do.
your ducky do a commercial with us?
Oh, mira.
How much do you pay? Oh, no.
No, mira el short está haciendo eso. Está bañando.
He's taking a bath
Oh,
over
we're
here.
recording her take a shower. All of them. Wow. Look at those duckies, are cool.
Look, they're taking a bath too with
Tiene
Milby.
calor, ¿verdad?
Yes, it's like a little, because it is hot.
Look, it is pretty hot out here.
O que se mate. Y le está diciendo que se bañe.
Oh, they're teaching them how to take a shower. There's more over here. The other family, the duckies.
Tried.
They don't? Yo pensaba que sí.
What?
They don't stick together?
No, because
¿Por qué no?
hey, look. It reminds me of
Oh, yeah, they're so chunky. No, these are bigger. Oh,
That's me and
look.
Timmy's and Luna and Dad.
That is you guys. That's Viriritas ducks.
Yeah, we're just there.
Mira ya cómo vienen en fila.
Uh-huh. Oh, look.
They're
Look
coming
at-
over here.
Oh, that is so cute. No, you guys are so cute.
They're following us.
They're gonna go back home because they had their swim and their bath. They had their snacks. Yes, they're getting trained. Alright, bye duckies. I'll see you guys soon.